Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, Kynhun scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but Shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli ka Jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban lej puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license tan riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bah benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan ka expert committee belakli daka menteri sarkar ka Dr. Amprelingdo kum ka chairperson hadu menta kadang am yak Jingai Jingmut naki seng san perthai nagi Kynhun beper bat naki riushimen halor ka jingdawa ban penbet thamai no yak job reservation policy ka balakan job mentala san post nem kinthi khnang bakan penjana yak bha thungkam thungjam hapreng ki khasi ki jantia bat ki garu habakran chikla pathai khubor hadien balawai ka jingalang joka Kynhun menteri ka Dr. Amprelingdo klai thuru ba ka expert committee kamdan bor ben bishar benia halor ka reservation policy henrei ka ditang ka committee ka bapdang ya ki Jingai Jingmut nagi Kynhun beper bat naki riushimen bat ban pha shaka sarkar jala ka ban sashim ya ka rai ka bakhaddu nalor bla thongru ya ka search committee.
Now in the event of government already saying that a committee will be put in place to review the reservation policy. Now, all political parties, all stakeholders, irrespective of the kind of forum that they all represent, will be given adequate opportunity to present before this committee their proposed observations, proposed deletions, omissions, and hence there should be no fear from political parties because that is going to be sorted out. It may take time because it's a cumbersome exercise, but every political party will be permitted to be presenting its views before this committee. As far as the implementation of roster, there is a committee in place. Any observation that is being felt by the various political parties can always be brought to the attention of the committee. We will sit, we will talk. One letter has come from Khnam. However, I have clarified again. Nomenclature used in the government's announcement may not conform to certain words which they may want us to use. However, in principle, in spirit, in letter, the roster serves the purpose of the implementation of this practice that has been going on in the state of Meghalaya since 1972. Convention and practice will be traditionally followed through, and whatever observations being made, political parties can send these observations. We are yet to decide whether this committee headed by me will be sitting again or not. We are yet to take a call on that. We are still waiting for all political parties to send in their observations. Up till today, we have not been able to take a review of that because many political parties have not submitted anything to now. One political party may have submitted something about usage of a certain word in the roster, but other than that, everything else has still not taken final shape. There is no deadline. We are waiting for political parties to please kindly forward their observations, their suggestions, omissions, deletions, and we will take it up. And like we said earlier, we ourselves as a committee, when we sat twice, realized that we are not competent enough on our own to study the complex nature of the reservation policy of the state of Meghalaya. It is a prospective application of the roster. Again, if we get into these debates, it would create more confusion. Hence, political parties, individuals, groups, stakeholders, please feel free to send in writing so that we can understand clearly what is being asked and what needs to be the response. We have already met at the level of the Honorable Chief Minister with the other indigenous scheduled tribe communities of the state of Meghalaya last week, and we have communicated to them that they will send in writing all of their observations. Again, the committee of political parties headed and chaired by me is not a competent authority to understand and to give comments on this matter. We are anyways forming a committee of experts. We are now at a process of searching for members, firstly, who will be willing to head such or to be member or to be part of such a committee. Process is already now being started. We just have to be vigilant, and we will wait. And we understand that there is this pressure, but we shall not rush into matters because these are all very sensitive matters with a lot of, legal complications, and we do not want to say anything which is going to be incorrect at this point in time. No, search committee is on the job. We are yet to sit to be able to understand who are the kind of individuals who will be called, what is the format of calling such individuals, what are the other logistical requirements that will be necessary to even hold meetings with such committees. So all of that is being considered, and now we are in a process of searching. So we need to give the search committee its own time so that we do things in the correct way, in the correct manner. Firstly, we need to understand what are the queries on the reservation policy. Once the queries are understood and we understand the mind of people posing the questions, then we can likely look at the membership of this expert committee. Because membership of this expert committee will be determined by the kind of predominant questions and issues that arise, that are being asked by these various organizations and individuals of the community.